Hey everyone, this is how to convert leads without using a dedicated landing page builder using VidSell. If you're spending anywhere from a few days to even a few weeks to build landing pages and paying for landing page software on a monthly basis, this video is hopefully going to help you see another way to do things that can not only save you time and money, but also potentially even increase the amount of conversions you're making for the time and effort that you're spending. I'm going to break down how you can convert leads without using a dedicated landing page builder into 3 simple steps, and then show you an extra 4th step for how you can follow up on the leads once you've gathered them. Let's get started with step 1. Understanding your offer is the first thing to do before you go to build. What is someone opting in to receive from you, and why is it valuable to them? You also should be aware of who this offer is made for, so your pitch actually makes sense to them. Focusing on this step first is critical because you wouldn't be asking people to download your course on learning SEO if they're interested in learning how to code. But you might present your offer to people to learn SEO if they're interested in web development, for example, because you can build a site, but if your site is not being seen, then you may need to improve your SEO. So once you understand what your offer is and why it's valuable to your intended audience, you can then choose a flow template inside of VidSell that best fits your offer. So for this example, let's say we're interested in giving people a free training course on learning SEO. I'll choose the free video series template and get started from there. Now that we have our flow loaded, it's time to build out our content. This is possibly the most important step of the process because what you say here and how you communicate the value of your offer is most likely the biggest factor that will either cause someone at this point to opt in or click away. Your message and demonstration of value matters. It should be clear, easy to follow, and actually helpful for someone. And if it's something like a free course, you can even use your opt-in page to give them the introduction of the course for free, and then they can benefit from your content before they even get the rest of the training. And it's really simple to present this value right up front by putting your video and media as the main focus at the top of the page. Once you've added your videos in the videos area, you can select the right one from the media selector here, add any supplemental images or even embed media, and then you're ready to edit the rest of the content of your opt-in page. Add some additional copy like what somebody can expect to see in the course, include a few testimonials of past course students, etc., and direct your audience to opt in at the bottom of the page. Pages like this can be easily built in a matter of half an hour or so in VidSell, which makes it a big time saver, especially if you're building multiple lead sources for different offers. Once your opt-in page is built, it's time to move on to how to deliver your offer. This includes setting up your domain and SEO for your opt-in page as some preliminary steps so your page can rank in search engines or stay private if you'd prefer it not to index. Then you can think about what delivery method works best for your offer. With our example SEO course, one way we can deliver it is simply by using more steps in our flow. That's the way this template is set up, so your audience can watch the rest of the course on the next steps of the flow by simply clicking through each lesson as they'd like. Some other ways you can deliver this course are you can send somebody to your courses area inside the VidSell Engage area, or you can send them a direct link to your course via email if you'd like to send each lesson over a few days and engage more with your audience that way. And once you decide how you'd like to deliver, you're ready to set your flow live and start sending traffic to your new offer, whether it's from your website, through ads, organic traffic, etc., and begin gathering new leads and sharing more value with your audience. Now, there's one more bonus step I'd like to talk about today, and that is what happens once you've gathered leads from your opt-in flow. What happens next, and how can you not just gather leads, but also lead people to engage deeper with you, get more value from your business, and possibly become customers? On the last flow step here, instead of just sending the course and then that's it, you can also include some next steps for the person to take. Now, this is interesting because let's say we link to another free course, except this time, instead of sending them to another flow, we direct them to perhaps our private classroom where they can log into our courses area and get access. And now that they have access to our community, there's a lot more opportunities to speak with this person and present more value to them. They can watch the new course they just signed up for, but they may also see some of your premium courses that they can purchase. You can send them a chat or invite them to join the conversation in one of your community spaces where they can get introduced to more of what you offer and other community members already engaging with your business. There's a lot of engagement opportunities that can really help you build more value for someone in your brand and help your audience to become much more engaged with you by you really focusing on what happens after someone becomes a lead. So that is how to convert leads without a dedicated landing page builder in VidSell. We hope you enjoyed this video and are able to use some of these strategies to build your business and bring more value to your audience. If you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay up to date when we post more videos. And if you haven't got an account for VidSell yet, sign up as below in the description of this video. Looking forward to seeing what you can build in VidSell.